Just put yourself between a bullet and a target, and it won't be long before you pulling yourself away. What you done is put yourself between a bullet and a